I'm Ranja and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss 20 commonly mispronounced words. Well, we are going to follow British English, and before I start, a humble request to you. You will see a word on the screen. The moment you see it, you say what it is, and then I'm going to tell you the correct pronunciation. If you made a mistake, then you pronounce it. You say it again with me. So don't forget to say the word twice. Once when you see it and then once when I tell you the correct pronunciation. So just don't watch this video. You need to speak. Only then your spoken English will improve. And here comes the first word. You know, my friend stayed in a suite of a 5-star hotel. That is wrong. Suit is, when you wear the formal coat and the trousers. This one is suite, not suit. So, my friend stayed in a suite of a 5-star hotel. And what is this? We use this word every day. Bowl? No, it is bowl. Remember, bowl. Simple, not bowl. Give me a bowl of fruits for my, what is this? Well, you do break the fast, but you pronounce it as breakfast. Break and fast. Don't say break and fast. Breakfast. Never skip your breakfast. A person who sets up a business. Entrepreneur? No, it is entrepreneur. Remember, EN will be pronounced as on and the last R is silent. Entrepreneur. Genre? 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 No, it is genre. A particular group or category of style, literature, art, music. This book falls into or fits into the romantic genre. And the next one is blessed. I'm blessed to have you in my life. And the next one is a very popular adjective that we often use, especially when we are talking about books or movies. Interesting. It is not interesting, like it is not interest, it is interest. I'm reading an interesting book. And you know what? This book has been written by a charismatic person. Charismatic means charming, a person who has lots of admirers and followers. Remember, the CH is pronounced as K and the S is pronounced as Z. Charismatic. And if you are planning to buy this book, then you must take from the bookstore. It is receipt. Remember, the P is silent. And here you need to stress on the second part, that is receipt. Receipt. Bhaiya, receipt dena. Talking about that interesting book. Well, a movie has been made on this book and my cousin made his as an actor in this movie. Debut. Remember, the T is silent and you stretch the last part. Debut. And I got a formal invitation. It is not formal. You don't pronounce the R. You consider the R as W. Formal. I got a formal invitation to the first show. How will you pronounce it? Remember, the last R is not pronounced. So it is premiere. Hey, you're going to the premiere. Then you must iron your shirt. Not iron. Iron. So you iron the shirt, iron the uniform, the R is silent. But where is your shirt? It's in the cupboard, cupboard. Many people say cupboard. No, it is cupboard. Remember, the P and the R both are not pronounced. If you are going to the premiere, you should not make a fashion. Do you know what is this? And how is it pronounced? It is pronounced as FOPA. FOPA is an embarrassing act, remark or mistake that you make in public, in front of the society. And this word is often used when it comes to fashion. So you all are so much into Facebook and Instagram. So you must know this word, fashion FOPA. Her clothes were a major fashion FOPA. But FOPA can be used in another way also. You know, I criticized my friend's sister and then I realized it was a major FOPA. Well, people use this word FOPA when it comes to fashion. But what is this? People often use this word. Well, you know what? Both often and often are correct. It's just that often is American pronunciation, and since we follow British pronunciation, so we say often. We often make this mistake. So the T is not pronounced. And now that you know how to say often, can you tell me what will be the pronunciation of this word? Yes, correct. It is soften. You're a smart learner. In the same way, this one is hasten. When you go, very fast, or you do something very fast or in a hurry. The next two words that I'm going to tell you, both are related to, the Army, Navy, Air Force, and we get confused and we don't pronounce them correctly. So let's learn them. The first one, this is not colonel or not colonel. It is colonel. There is no R. The rank of an officer in the army. Similarly, the next one, lieutenant. No, it is lieutenant. I'm sure you're saying the words with me. And we move on to the next one. This is woman. No, women. And the next one, a sweet smell. Fragrance. It is fragrance. The fragrance of her perfume lingered on or stayed on long after she was gone. Well, it's my time to go now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then do click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Till then, keep practicing. Happy learning.